Let's check out in 2018 trending product, 3D Moonlight. It is a perfect gift to express your love with this warm gift. Your kids or beloved one are unable to resist this charming gift. And it's also a great decoration for your house. It has 240 mAh built-in battery. After the full charge, the lamp can be used 8 to 25 hours, a full charge takes about 6 to 8 hours. After full charge, the red light will automatically turn off. It is touch sensitive, so just like me at 14 it can be turned on just touching it. There are currently over 13,000 orders, and for US resident, e-packet shipping is totally free. You also can check another's charming product.